Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to do a quick follow-up video for you on the sand filter. Flip you around and show you kind of what we got going on. Okay, about a little over a month ago, I added a sand filter. It's down under there. I'll put a link to the description and hooking up the sand filter, show you that. And then I've also got a link on how I cleaned the pool. So I'll put a link down in the description on that as well. But what I wanted you to see is how clear the water stays with the sand filter. We just had storms all day yesterday, and I've gotten the big stuff out of the pool already, but you can probably see there's some debris down there in the middle. And again, I've got a good way of cleaning that. It's quick and easy. You don't have to buy anything. I'll put the link to that video in the description. And there's also some good ideas that other people have commented of things that they have purchased that makes it a little faster if you don't have the time to do it the way I do it. But that right there, you can see. But what I want you to notice is how clear the water is. And I'm going to tell you, when I did the video, you'll notice that I've got my chlorine pot floating around in the video. I put one chlorine tablet in it the day that I filled it up, and that's all I've done since I installed that sand filter. And there's still chlorine left in there. I just checked it. I haven't had it in there in probably 3 weeks. Only reason I put it in there to start with is because I like the smell of it. But I had a strong feeling that it would really help adding the sand filter, and it's exceeded my expectations. It's really done well. So I highly suggest the sand filter. Check out those other videos. I think you'll like them. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment. I try to answer every question I get, or every comment I get as well. Okay, that's it. It's just a quick, easy update on the sand filter and how it's working with the stock tank pool. It's not a whole lot more. If you don't already have the paper filter, that's why I use it to start with. If you don't already have it and you're going to buy one, it's about $50 more to get the sand filter, and it is well worth it. So as always, we thank you all for watching. We hope to see you on the next one. Bye.